Hello guys, today we're going to be changing the windshield wipers on this 2015 Volkswagen Golf. This is very easy. So this is the passenger side here, and what you do is you push down on this plastic tab and pull the wiper towards you, and it comes right out. As you can see, it's unlocked. It just slides right out. Simple as that. Just watch when you rest this arm down, rest it down gently on the windshield. You don't want to chip it. Okay, here are the wipers I chose. The driver's side's the big one, 26-inch, and passenger side's 18-inch. And they give you this stuff to clean the windshield. It's a water repellent, so do that first before I install the wipers. Okay, I removed the wiper from the package. Now they give you a series of adapters here. We don't need these two. We need this one, marked letter B, and this one marked letter M. Now this part here needs to come off, and this just snaps right off. Get under here. Pull this off. That comes off. And this one goes in place. You can see the arrow pointing to the left, which the arrow points to the left there. So that part goes in like that. And you push down and snap in like so. And you take this adapter here and push it right down over top here like so. There you go. Do the other one the same way and they click right into place. Okay, all you do is slide the wiper into place. You hear the click? Snaps right in. That's it. That one's done. Do the same thing for the other side. And that completes the wiper change. Thanks for watching, guys.